Mass jubilation as World Igbo Congress makes case for support of IPOB Eastern Security Network. The World Igbo Congress (WIC) has made case for the support of the Eastern Security Network (ESN) as the only volunteer security outfit in the Southeast. According to WIC, its support for the Nnamdi Kanu's led outfit was because Igbo land security cannot be left in the hands of Miyetti Allah in the north or Amotekun in the southwest, because leaders always want to abdicate responsibility and hoped it will go well. WIC Public Relations Officer Basil Onkwe, in a statement on Saturday, advised government to de-escalate the tension in Igbo land and avoid provoking harmless volunteer youths whom it said have refused to watch bandits rape their women and kill their people. WIC supports Eastern Security Network because it is the only security outfit available to secure our hinterland, like the Miyetti Allah is for the north, the Amotekun for the west. We have been maligned, annihilated, our women raped, and our farmland deserted. The problem is that the bandits who occupied our lands only survive in the bush by kidnapping us for ransom. It is very concerning that the terror that is unleashing on us has not attracted any solution or deterrent measures from the federal government of Nigeria to date. The most recent intelligence report by Anderson of the U.S. State Department has expressed concern of Islamic extremist expansion in Nigeria and how Boko People Islamic extremists looking to expand further south into the littoral states of Imo, Ebonyi, and other southeastern states. World Igbo Congress knows the consequence of a failed state, and we call the federal government of Nigeria and the state government to avoid escalating hostility in Igbo land, but find time to fight the insurgents that is making their way into the country from the northeast. World Igbo Congress holds sacred the sanctity of life of every human being, and as such, our support for Eastern Security Network is our belief that the modalities that will guarantee the security of Ala-Igbo will be paramount. WIC is ready to engage with any security outfit that is willing to secure Igbo land to ensure the protection of life and property. The youths that are volunteering to secure our land can be reached peacefully for consultation, not by force or acts of destruction. We must respect everyone's right to life, Onkwe said. Thank you for listening to this news. Wow. I love this. We are making moves. I said it that gradually, this same Eastern Security Network that is rejected will start gaining support one after the other. Gradually, they will not know when, our Southeast governors will not know when they will succumb and say, okay, we agree. They will not, okay, now, since Umahi make all the noise that we have set up a security outfit, very soon the outfit will be announced. The name of the outfit will be announced. Have we heard anything about them? Have we? If you have, me have not, because I'm very much active online. They cannot. They can't. Who is going to volunteer himself for those wicked souls? Who? And if they volunteer, how is that going to be possible? Which kind of human beings are they going to use? Do they think that it's ordinary? The Eastern Security Network are ordinary soldiers? They told them that these guys are selected from different country. Do you know what these guys are made of? Do you know the force they belong before coming to join the Eastern Security Network? Some of them might be FBI in America. Some of them might be navies in China, in Asia, in Russia. They were carefully selected. Now coming to Southeast, they have decided to use their professionalism to work. And you're thinking that you can defeat them. You better think twice. You better think twice and borrow yourself some brains, because I'm not seeing anybody defeating these guys. If you say you want to try, the door is opened. Go and try, and let's see how possible that is going to be. Because I'm not seeing anything happening. Never. I'm not. I don't know if you are, but me, I'm not seeing. I'm not. You understand? My viewers, gradually, the Eastern Security Network will be attaining their recognition. Nobody will stop them or deny them of it. Look at it now. Look at it. World Igbo Congress have recognized them. We are talking about Nigeria, no? Are we? Let's not talk about the international organization yet, because those ones is going to be massive. Because presently they are supported by international organization at present now. Yes, and that's why they are doing well. Even their treatment is more than the treatment the Nigerian soldiers receive. That's why some of our Nigerian soldiers are urging to be a part of the Eastern Security Network, because they have seen and heard of what they get as remuneration and commission and payment. You understand? Yeah. So they deserve it. They deserve it. They are working, so they deserve to be taken care of. They are working, so they deserve an appraisal. You understand? No wonder Nnamdi Kanu said it, that instead of going for Ohanaeze Ndigbo, why don't we go World Igbo Congress, that these people will be okay to represent Ndigbo? That is it. That is it. So my viewers, what is your take? Deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.